It's Caitlin's first day back.
No!
And we are making margaritas with Patron. And they look delicious, if I do say so myself. And Trish is outside, turning on the grill. That's all. O'Malley wants to use the computer.
I know he looks like What?
I'm videotaping.
What are you videotaping? The cat?
Well, O'Malley is not happy.
Oh, you're videotaping this?
Yeah, it's funny. Oh, he's so forlorn. He's so unhappy.
He's like giving up the fight. He was all over me. Look at how wet I am. It's like he was all up in my business, and now he's
He looks like a cow.